unpacked the tent. My watch died, so I don't know what time it is. I think it's about 7 a.m. right now. Woke up at about 6:30, saw the sun coming out because we are on the East Coast, so we do get to see that first glimpse of the sun. I slept the whole night through. Bit of a hard surface because we were sleeping on sand, and it was also at an incline.
I woke up, I thought you were cold because you were so close to me.
Nah, it was just gravity. Ooh, look at that view. What am I waking up to that every day? What's great about this Freedom Campsite is that they allow you to stay here up to a maximum of 28 days.
These guys left their caravan here, and you can see like it's permanent, you know, like there's like wooden blocks underneath.
Morning.
I guess it's windy.
We are here at Binalong Bay. This is I just saw coconut. So what with that? Coconut and some fruit, bit of tartness, bit of sweetness, bit of hardness. Dog's leaving. That was nice to use the cafe's toilet to go number 2. The Freedom Campsite was awesome because I mean it's free. They did have very clean, non-smelly long drops, but there wasn't any toilet paper. But this cafe had a nice bathroom, and that's all that matters.
Cafe is the ideal road trip destination. Just a short 20-minute drive from St. Helens.
Tassie radio is so small town, so weird, but so charming at the same time.
The weather forecast turned into a 10-minute, literally 10-minute conversation about the guy's cherry tomatoes and the chooks. And then the weather forecaster went back to the marine weather forecast. So imagine you were waiting for the marine weather forecast. You would have had to sit there and listen to like 10 minutes of them talking about different recipes for the tomato plants.
So now we're gonna look at some wombats and some Tassie devils.
They have an albino kangaroo.
Oh, there's an albino
I
kangaroo.
think so. I think it's here.
I need to get my prescription signings, mate. And anyone Australian, could you understand what I just said there? If I went up to you and I was like, howdya, would you know that I was asking you, how old are you?
At Double World here. Okay. So we're here. So it's just down to your left. Through those trees, you'll see the building, and then you just need to keep it there at 12.
Tassie devils can consume 30% of their weight in 30 minutes. Oh, here it comes. Of course, they're always cute until they start making that demonic sound. These little guys have the strongest jaw strength of any mammal, pound for pound.
He's wearing a white button-down shirt under a black sweater.
Oh, look, are they playing? Oh.
She wants.
Comes the other one.
Yeah, he's a bit of a
He's shy.
timid one.
I have kangaroo food in my kangaroo pouch. Oh, here comes one. Right on time. Right on time. Oi. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa. Headbutt. That's a GoPro, mate.
Oh,
He dodged my hand.
oh, there's all kinds on his back.
It's all over your back.
There's all kinds on your back.
Some on your back. Wow, my god! So patay
I have
gutom.
one little one.
He sighed. boy. Never seen one of those before. And I'm Australian, mate. Look at your albino eyebrows. Oh, look at your red eyes. Good feed, eh? Have a feed, mate.
Yes, eat from me.
Yeah, here's some more.
There you go.
So cute, the little echidna.
Oh, they're coming.
Interesting creatures behind us.
Oh, they're coming. I dropped it. I don't. No, I don't like you.
They're pinching my skin.
See?
Interesting creatures. I love the color of them. The galahs. Galahs are the birds that mate for life. Still got a bit more kangaroo feed. Might as well use it on these guys. Oh, it's a forester kangaroo. You boys hungry? Or are you lying on the grass because you're tired? I'm gonna grab a handful of feed from a kangaroo pouch to feed the kangaroos.
Your claws.
I'm just gonna empty out all the food. There you go. This is how we get rid of the kangaroo food. That's it. Finish it up. I wonder what part of the kangaroo we eat.
Hopefully not the Tintin.
All right, you guys got your feed. Now it's time for us to get our feed. I'm starving.
Here's food.
And he's gonna get a boner.
Oh no, it flicked up like a tongue. Like this. That was fun.
Right. Good times. Good times at Nature World.
3 hours the other day. He was like, well, yeah, actually, we'll plate up the ones that were for takeaway.
He's having our first Tassie oyster. Hopefully it was worth the wait because we got shut down the first place. Almost got shut down this time, but they made an exception for Ling. I guess they saw the desperation. They smelt it. Pretty indifferent when it comes to oysters. I don't dislike them. I'll eat them if they're there, but if they're of high quality, I feel like it's wasted on me. But, you know, you gotta try a Tassie oyster. So here you go, bottoms up. It's just that in the back of my mind, it just feels like I'm drinking seawater. Don't you get that feeling?
Nope. You want another one?
No, thank you. That's smoked salmon in there, the chowder.
I'm not sure if it's smoked.
And that lobster, that's a lobster burger, not a roll. So we've got the Tasmanian gum shark meat. Meat is fleshy, it's delicious, kind of like salmon. If you like fleshy meat, go for shark, and Tasmanian gummy is always on the menu, so bon appetit.
Bon app. Oh my god.
Look at how fleshy that meat is. Their house tartar sauce. So good.
It's so hot.
Tassie gummy, yeah. How's the chowder? So
Have
good.
some. Please have some. Look at that. Or should I do what the Koreans do?
That's very different from like a lobster roll you would get in Maine. You know, they really keep it pure and naked. Yeah, what's that spice in there? Coriander?
The mayo.
Yeah, there's something really good going on there. Lobster Shack. Wow. Good recommendation, Ling.
Thank you.
Alright, Ling, you're almost done.
I'm gonna leave this. I can't.
I'm so full, man. As well. Didn't look like a lot of fish, but the thing with the with shark is that it's like eating a steak. It's like a steak of the ocean.
Myself.
That tartar sauce. Yeah, lube me up, baby.
Yeah, let me put it in my pocket. I'll bring it home for later.
Don't waste the sauce.
Telling you.
Don't waste it. You hear that in the music? Bewitched. The most
Oh my
famous
god, is this Bewitched?
famous girl group to come out of Ireland.
How did you recognize it just from this?
Do you not hear the Irish fiddle? Or it's a flute maybe, I think.
Hey boy, sitting in your tree. Mommy always wants you to come for tea.
C'est la vie. We did it.
Oh my god. No regret.
That was a good stuff. You have to roll me to the next Freedom campsite because I am way full, mates. And look at that. Where did everybody go? Everyone that was eating with us just blew away with the wind.
Oh,
Oh, I pulled a muscle in my neck. Is this the deltoid right here?
oh, maybe not. Oh, he psyched us out.